What's the ultimate tangible investment, gold or real estate? Both have been trusted for centuries, but which one actually builds more wealth today? Is it the shiny, indestructible metal that survived empires, or the bricks and mortar that put roofs over our heads? Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly where to put your money for long-term security and growth. Gold versus real estate, the ultimate showdown. Before we dive in, let's talk about why tangible assets are so powerful. Unlike stocks or crypto, gold and real estate are physical. You can touch them and they're harder to manipulate. When inflation hits or markets crash, these assets often hold or even increase in value. But which one does it better? Key benefits of tangible investments. Inflation hedge lower volatility than stocks. Physical ownership, less counterparty risk. Gold has been money for over 5,000 years. It doesn't rust, it doesn't decay, and central banks hoard it like crazy. But is it a good investment? Pros of gold. Liquidity. Sell gold instantly anywhere in the world. No maintenance, no tenants, no repairs, just sit back and hold. Crisis-proof. When economies collapse, gold often skyrockets. Cons of gold. No cash flow. Unlike real estate, gold just sits there. Storage costs. Safes or vaults add expenses. Volatile short-term. Prices swing based on speculation. Gold is like insurance. It won't make you rich, but it could save you in a disaster. Now let's talk real estate, the asset that builds generational wealth. But is it really better than gold? Pros of real estate. Cash flow. Rent checks every month, bucks and passive income. Leverage. Banks lend you money to buy property. Try that with gold. Appreciation plus inflation edgy. Over time, property values and rents rise. Cons of real estate. Illiquidity. Selling takes time and fees. Maintenance risker. Tenants, repairs, taxes, it's work. High entry cost. You need big capital to start, 100K in gold versus 100K in real estate over 20 years. Real estate can make you wealthy, but it's not hands-off like gold. So who wins? Well, it depends on your goals. Choose gold if you want a simple, liquid, crisis-resistant asset. You're worried about hyperinflation or market crashes. Choose real estate if you want cash flow and long-term wealth building. You're okay with hands-on management. Smart investors often own both. Gold for safety, real estate for growth. So which one are you leaning toward, gold or real estate? Drop a comment below. And if you want a deep dive on how to start investing in either, smash that like button and subscribe. We'll be breaking down exactly how to buy gold the smart way and how to get into real estate with little money down in future videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.